Hey guys, I just got back from the grocery store and I'm getting ready to do a nice little light and delicious recipe for y'all. It's comprised of some shrimp, snow peas, garlic, pasta of course, some lemon juice, some olive oil, a little bit of basil. This is absolutely amazing. You guys are gonna love this. And oh, of course some crushed red pepper flakes. To me, a good pasta dish, a light, it doesn't have to be light, it can be heavy, but a good pasta dish has pasta, garlic, and red pepper flakes. I'm also going to use some, a little bit of chicken stock. So, you know, that's, guys, they're over there fighting over, like this little thing that I tore off my shrimp. So, guess what? I'm so excited, I gotta tell you. You're probably hearing the water boiling in the background. Guess what I've done today? I went and got me a P.O. box. So I had a few people that was asking if if I had a P.O. box or wanted my address. They said they wanted to send me a couple things. So I went ahead and got one, got a P.O. box today. And that P.O. box is In the Kitchen with Sandy, P.O. box 34, I think it's 34. Yeah, P.O. box 34, New Lebanon, Ohio 45345. Again, that's P.O. Box 34, New Lebanon, Ohio, 45345. So, let me tell you something. If y'all gonna send me anything, I need some new dish towels. Trust and believe I go through the dish towels. So, I'll take some new dish towels. I'll take anything. But I went ahead and got that because, like I said, I had a few people that had inquired about that. So, you know what? I've been in business here, well, I don't even call this business. This is In the Kitchen with Sandy, to me, is an outlet. It is an outlet from everyday life. You know, I work, I've raised kids, I'm married, I have a husband, and you know, there's just times that you need something that's kind of like an outlet as your enjoyment and your fun. I love being in my kitchen. I love cooking. I love creating new recipes. I love to experiment in so many ways with so many dishes. And that's really basically why I got started within the Kitchen with Sandy. It was my son's idea. And I done it. And it's a little scary at first, a little intimidating. In the beginning, I got a lot of, you know, I had a lot of growing to do. I had really a lot of growing to do because I was really, you know, nervous in front of the camera and, you know, intimidated by some of the, you know, negative people that can be out there. I'm going to call you negative. I could call you something else, but I'm not. But, you know, I've had nothing but positive feedback for my channel, and I'm so excited and I'm so happy about it. And you know where I've got my new signature blend seasoning that is, I'm able to sell that worldwide. You know, I'm licensed to sell that. I got with a local church, and they done the things that they needed to do to get that approved by the Food and Drug Administration, you know, for my packaging and all that kind of stuff. So it's really taken off, and I'm really excited about it. And, you know, I'm like getting up there in the thousands of subscribers, and it's my outlet. It's my outlet. I really like it. So if you send me anything, I need some dish towels. But you got my P.O. box, so, you know, send me a card, send me something. Let me know that you enjoy my channel, you know, even if it's a little piece of paper that says, In the Kitchen with Sandy, we love your recipes. Nothing big, but, you know, I gotta get, my water's boiling. I gotta get started on this recipe video. Only because I love you guys, I am showing you this video that I just made today. This is a linguine type shrimp and lemony snow pea. Look at that. Look at that. This is what I made today. I am so happy that I am home alone. To eat every bit of this up. You guys are gonna love this recipe. Mmm. Gotta give you a little cheese. I like to tease you.